Hi, I'm Jeff Snow, and I'm the Chief Financial Officer at PAC Worldwide.
How long have you been with PAC?
November 2003, so 15 years.
Who has been your biggest influence in life?
My dad, yeah.
How so?
Just instilled in me a strong work ethic.
What do you like to do in your spare time?
My wife and I own 2 horses. We live on a couple of acres outside of Redmond, and so we like to trail ride.
If you were to have a movie made about your life, who would play you?
Nick Nolte.
What does a day in the life of a PAC CFO look like?
I would say a lot of looking into the future.
What's your favorite part of the job?
Getting out to the plants and actually seeing where our product's made.
Are there any best practices that you think could improve PAC's bottom line?
Because we have multiple plants, I think we've done a really good job with the help of our senior operation leadership. Our plant in Mexico comes up with something that's really worthwhile. We try to indoctrinate that into our other plants. So, the best idea always wins, and we need to propagate that through all of our plants.